Okay. Hi, Jeshwita. How are you, ma?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, ma. Thank you. Hey, guys, all of you, where are the videos, guys? Okay, give me 1 minute. We started the class late, guys. Okay, we started it late, and it's okay. Let's see.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh,
Give me
oh.
a minute. Yeah.
How do I come back? Oh, okay, okay. Nice.
Give me a minute, guys. I want to note down the roster, and I want to note down your attendance first. Okay. Today was July 14, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a minute, okay? Okay. Okay, now let me note down for you guys G78. July 13. Okay, let's see. Netra, are you here, ma? Netra, are you here?
She is here.
1 minute, ma. I'm not seeing you guys yet. Yes, Netra is in here. That's good. Pranav, are you here?
Yeah.
I don't see Pranav. Bye. No, Pranav, I do see. Sorry. Sreshta, you're here. I know Zach, you're here. I know Shiv is here. Johan is here. Inian is not here. Nikita is also not here. Oh, I think they've gone to India. Okay, Shubham is here. Okay, whose name I didn't call? Jashvita. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me see. One second. I don't know why Shiv is not here. Oh my gosh. Give me a minute, guys. Pressure is not at me. So confusing, guys. Really. Okay, let me see that. Shiv Jashvita. Okay, Jashvita, I'm going to mark you present. Krisha, absent without notice. Okay. Oh no, why is Shubham? That's incorrect. Absent. Okay. Okay, let's move on. How are you all? How was the break, first of all? Did you all have fun?
Yeah.
That's nice. I also had fun, a lot of fun. Netra, I want you to be on the video, ma. I want you to be on the video. I want you to be on the video. Netra? Netra? See, first of all, I don't know what is going on with her. Netra? Oh my gosh. Guys, wait, guys. It's okay to start late rather than. It was coming. Okay. How was the homework? Did you guys have any questions on the homework? Did you guys have any questions on the homework? We did.
I mean, sorry, I was muted. No.
We didn't have any questions on the homework. Usually, I always review the homework that you did. In the sense, I always try to do some of the problems or similar problems and see where are we? Did we understand all that I'll see?
I mean,
Okay.
I did need help in some, so I just left those questions.
Uh-huh.
Wait, can I like ask?
Yeah, yeah, ask. That's what we
Wait,
have the initial time of class. Jaswita, don't worry about it. They had homework from last class. We are discussing that. Okay, Krishav, same thing. Okay. First, we
Okay.
will always discuss the homework. We will go over it again if need be. But at the same time, I want everybody to understand things before we move on.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
I had questions on question 22, 24. Um, what question? 32 and 33, 34, 35, 36. I
Okay,
mean,
no problem. First, let's go over a little bit. Let's review the
What?
concept a little bit. Okay. You all, we all know. Okay, let's review the concept a little bit. Couple of kids are new as well. So let's see. Netra, did you do the homework, ma?
Yes, I did the homework, but I don't understand questions 35 and 36.
Oh, no problem. We'll go over everything. Okay. One thing, what I had something written down as well. There were 3 people who have not. Shubham, did you submit the homework?
yes.
You submitted the homework, really? Okay. Wait, then I did not see yours. Johan, did you have any questions on the homework?
First few were kind of hard, but then it got easier.
Okay, how about Zach?
Yes.
How did you do? Did you not understand things or were you able to understand?
The homework?
Hmm.
Yeah, I understand it.
Okay. So let's go over that. Sindhu, Sreshta, did you have any questions?
No.
Okay, so let's go over first. I really want to go over what we have because that was a difficult assignment. Let's see. Okay, first let me explain some of them as well. See, the way the class goes, Krishiv and Jashwita, you can chat with me. The chat is only to me. You cannot chat among yourselves. Always you can feel free to communicate anything in chat and I'll explain the problems on the board, the concept on the board, the problems on the board and we can proceed. Okay? Any
Okay.
questions? Homework is always in Google Classroom. Once the class is done, once we are comfortable, I will talk to your mom or dad. If all works, you can go ahead and join the Google Classroom and do the homework posted in that. Okay. Now, you all know speed is distance times time. Distance divide by time, right? Literally, if I travel 30 miles in 2 hours, what is my speed, Krishiv? Do you know? I'm asking for the unit rate.
15.
Yes, 15 miles in 1 hour, right? Yeah, this is what it is. So my unit rate is 15, right? So this is my speed. So let's say this sort of data, right? This sort of data, me traveling 30 miles in 2 hours can be given in the form of a table. Input output table. It can be an input output table, meaning 30 miles. Input is mile. Oh my gosh, give me a minute. Input is miles, output is hours. Output is hours. So it can be like 2 hours, then I can say 15, 1. Do you see? So I can go like this, meaning I don't want to go from, I don't want to confuse you like this. 15, 1, 30, 2, or 45, 3. Do you see the table? So I can give the table like this, or I can just verbally say something about, hey, I traveled 30 miles in 2 hours. How many miles did I travel in 1 hour? I can ask you the question, or I can give you a table. Suppose you know what? I don't want to plot the time in the y. X is called the, okay, let's come to the coordinate plane. I will put the table again. Let's come to the coordinate plane. What axis is this, Jashwita? Do you know? Don't worry, you're new as well. What axis is this?
Y-axis?
This is x-axis.
Uh,
The standing line is y-axis, right? So now I can also put it in the form of a graph. This is called a coordinate plane, right? So now I have input output table. Input is always x, output is always y. Okay? I can put, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Shubham, I can put any values in x because input is the independent variable that I decide to put any numbers. Y is always the dependent variable. These all we learnt in 6th grade.
Miss, oh, sorry, wait.
Go ahead, Shiv.
Are you sharing in a whiteboard? If you are, I can't see the whiteboard.
Others, you're able to see the board?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not making excuse. I can't
Yes.
see.
Yeah, no problem, Shiv. You might want to log off and log back in. That's all. Zach, are you able to see the board?
Yes, I can see the board.
Okay. So I can put independent variable means I can put any values, whatever I like. Okay, but remember, this is the time in hours. This is always miles, the distance travel. Because see, if the time goes up, miles goes up. If the time number of hours I travel goes down, mile goes down. That is why the y variable, the y value, right? The dependent variable is dependent on my input. Suppose if I say I traveled, let's say 60 miles. Sometimes I can write 45 miles. I can write 30 miles. I can write 15 miles. You see? So 15 I traveled in 1 hour. 30 I traveled in 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Do you see? So I can frame up a table. Now x value is 60. Let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I can put it into a graph as well. How do I do it? Number 1, 2, 3. Y-axis will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 is 15. See, 1, 15. Then 2, 30. 2 is a 30. Then 3 is a 45. 4 is a 60. Do you see? So that forms a line. Do you see it? That forms a line. So the line, it's called a linear graph. Line graphs are called linear graphs. So now when you think about the speed, these are called distance, rate, time problems. Rate is the speed. Distance, rate, time problems we are discussing, where we are talking about just in general, I told you a scenario where I traveled 30 miles in 2 hours. The same thing, you can picture it as a table. You can put different values of x and find out the values of y based on the information given. And you can just copy these values into a graph and see what it renders. Any questions? Krishiv, you're with me? Okay. Jashvita, you're with me? Zach, how about you?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Shiv is coming back. Okay. Let me show you. Now, given this, right, I'm going to go back to your homework. Okay, I just want to be sure because that was a good amount of homework and it was a hard one as well. I know you all have questions as well. So why don't I give you this question and ask you to do it once? Okay, how about this? Let's see. I'm giving you a table, okay? Please, you have to think about what I'm asking. I'm giving you a table. See, the time is in minutes, distance is in miles. I want to ask you what is the constant rate of change? Constant rate of change is nothing but in miles per hour. So what are they asking? Miles per hour. Only minutes are given. So that's going to be tricky. Can you try? First, let me see if you didn't get it. I am not expecting you to solve, but let me see. Can you show me what you have? No.
It says that my chat is disabled.
No, ma. What you need to do, yes, you cannot chat with everybody, right? So what you need to do, you have to go to the chat window, go to the top left corner, There is a blue button. Click on it, type my name, send it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I want you to find the rate in miles per hour. There is a slightly, it's a tad bit difficult. I want to see what you have. I don't know, where is my chat window? Oh yeah, I know. Okay, I got some answers. Sreshta, how was the homework? You did well?
Yeah.
Sreshta, is the answer correct?
Let me
See,
read.
when you want miles, okay, I'll give you another clue as well. Okay. Miles per hour means miles has to be in the numerator. Per means the division symbol. Miles per means the division symbol. Hour goes down. Netra, I think your answer is... okay, you can send it as a fraction too. I don't mind. Oh, Pranav, you're right. I think your answer is right, Sreshta.
Okay.
Pranav correct. Zach correct. That is okay, Shubham, and that's why I'm going over this. See, Shubham, how the constant change is 13.75? Constant rate of change is nothing but y by x, right? Y value by x value, that's all, right? Distance is the y value, x value is the time. I'll wait.
This question was on the homework, right?
Yes, Pranav, good job finding.
And when I was re-looking, it says that the answer is 55.
That's true, but I want to know how you did it.
I made it a fraction and found out what the fraction was.
You know what I would have done? It's so easy to get it from here. See?
Yeah, so I just put that to a fraction.
11 miles in 12 hours. I'm sorry, 12 minutes, right? How many minutes make up an hour? You have to convert this to an hour. So I'll have to multiply by 5 because 12 times 5 is 60 minutes that make up an hour. Multiply by 5. So 55 miles in 1 hour. That's it. Krishna?
Teacher,
Yeah,
should I share how I got the answer in the chat?
would be nice, but was it a question from Krisha?
Yes.
Okay. How can it would be nice if you can tell me how you did it, at least one small bit of it. If you can show me, I would be happy. But let's move on. Let's move on for now. I have more questions for you. I want to revise nicely and then only move on. Let's see. How about this? Yeah, I told you, right? Any table can be converted to a graph. And the graph can be converted again back to a verbal situation as well. Okay, let's try this one. Jeshwita, how are we, ma? You can chat with me. Feel free to chat with me. Andy, I did not know anything. I knew the same thing. I got this answer. I didn't get this answer. You can.
I was confused how to do it.
Oh, okay. I see. But did you understand now?
A little.
A little. Okay, nice. Let's see this one. How about this? Robbie is building a doll house for his niece. The living room has a width of 8 inches, length of 10 inches, and has an area of 80 square inches. Robbie wants to increase the width of the living room, but leave the length the same. The table shows how the area changes with the changes in width. Now, I did go over once more the table, the graph, the contextual situation I went through. I never told you about equations, right? I never told you about equations. Now, can you look at the pattern and come up with the rule between the output and the input, meaning how output y will be equal to x plus or x times or whatever. So output is the area. Area will be equal to width. What? Width plus something is area, or width minus something is area, or width times something is area, or width divided by something is area. Can you come up with this equation between y and x for me from this table? Johan, are you answering? I didn't see your answer, right, Johan?
Yeah,
Or
I did it wrong.
You did
I-
it.
Yeah, I just missed something.
I want to see, wait. What did you send? Oh, you didn't send it to me, right?
I did send it.
No. Can you send it? Can you send any message once more? I didn't get your answer.
Okay.
Sreshta, that is correct, ma. I really like the equation like what you have presented second time.
Thank you.
Yes. Johan, yeah. Johan, that is correct. But but you understood what was the mistake?
Yeah.
No problem. Pranav, good job. Shubham, I really want the equation, Shubham. You are making me understand the context. Srihari, welcome. You just joined in, right? So I want
Yeah.
you to write out the relationship between y and x.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Netra, good.
Is that correct?
Johan, correct. Shiv, yes, I'm writing on the whiteboard. Shiv, are you able to see now?
It's just that I'm like thinking of it.
Okay. See how, what is the pattern? 8 becomes 80, 9 becomes 90. What is going on? Shubham, correct. Shubham, I really like this. Your equation should have y and x. Zach, that is correct. But can you write it out as an equation for me?
Oh, yeah.
Srihari, correct. Krishiv, correct. So, Krishiv, you got it now. So, see guys, I'm asking you, the table shows this. Now I want you to write the equation that connects y and x. So, what do? See, 8 became 80, 9 became 90, 100 became... So, it is like times 10, right? So, when you think about it, instead of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it keeps on changing. So, I'll just write x. Now, x times 10 will be equal to my y column. This is called an equation. You all know that already. So, this context can be represented as a table or can be represented as an equation. Any questions here?
No.
Okay. Now, let's see. Let's see. I really want to. What is the... Okay. I deleted it. Did I? Oh my gosh. Okay. So now you know that the equation is y equal to x times 10. Now this 10 number, right? The number that you multiply with the input to get the output. In case, see here the change is very constant. The change is very constant means for every 1 change in the width, there is a 10 change in the area. For every 1 change in the width, there is a 10 change in the area. Wherever you see it is a constant. So we call this as a constant change, constant rate of change. Right? Right? Or I can say this is a constant rate of change. Now, for finding the constant rate of change, I can always write my equation as y equal to x times k. This k number that you multiply with the input, right? This is called, what is this called? Anybody from last class? Pranav, what is that called?
Constant of proportionality.
Called constant of proportionality. What is this constant of oh my God, what happened?
I accidentally pressed something.
Oh,
I
you
don't
are,
know. I don't know what I pressed.
what am I? I don't know what happened, but something
I
happened.
think it said like welcome to new whiteboard or something. I like pressed something.
Ah, okay. Some of you, okay. One of
Sorry.
No problem. It all happens, right? Doesn't matter. Okay. Now, only thing is I will have to rewrite everything. That's okay. So, x times 10 will be equal to y. This is my equation. You all know that. You are connecting your input with your output. One another thing which you are seeing is, see, for every change in 1 on the x, there is a 10 change in the y. One change in x, there is a 10 change in y. One change in x, there is a 10 change in y. So, the rate of change is constant. Rate of change is constant. Think about this. Think about this. Suppose if the width goes to 0, what is the area? Who can tell me? If the width goes to 0, what is the area?
0.
0. Good job. Now, I'm going to put it out into a table. Into a table is already there. Context is already there. Equation is there. I'm going to put it into a graph now. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. X-axis. Jashwita, x-axis is going to have the x values. Y-axis is going to have the y values. You all know. Okay. Now let me go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Start with 80, 90. Okay. So 8 is 80, 9 is 90, 10 is, you get it. I'm going to have it like this. Okay. Now 7 inches will be 70, 6 inches. So it's going to go ahead like that. 10 is going to be 1, 2, like this it's going to go. 0 is going to be 0. I'm sorry. When the rate of change is going to be constant, when I put it into a graph, you can be for sure that it is going to pass through the 0, 0 point. When a linear graph, linear means line graph, passes through the origin, when a linear graph passes through the origin here, right? This relationship that is shown here is called a proportional relationship. It's called a proportional relationship. Why it is called a proportional relationship? See here.
Is it what is it because they're proportional to each other? Like they have
Exactly. So
things
see,
in
y by
common?
x. Let's consider this row. 80 by 8 is the same as 90 by 9. Is the same as 100 by 9, 100 by 10. Do you see it? So that number, right? So y by x, y by x, y by x. Do you see? So y by x is always a constant. That is why that is called the rate of change. That constant is called the rate of change here. And that is always the same number when you think about it. 80 by 8, 90 by 9, 100 by 100, 110 by 11, 120 by 12. So see here, it's always a constant. Since you have two ratios between two quantities, this is a ratio, this is a ratio. Like they are equivalent fraction when you look at it, right? They are equivalent ratios that are going to be equal. When ratios are equal, we call that as a proportion. And this relationship, when you put it into the graph, becomes a proportional relationship. Zach, are you following?
Yes.
So a line graph gives a line graph in this scenario has a proportional relationship. Sometimes a line graph will not have a proportional relationship. We can see to it later. For now, you can see that a linear graph, this linear graph is a proportional relationship and the constant of proportionality is 10. Any questions? Jashwita, where
No,
are we?
ma'am.
Krishu, did you get it, Krishu? Good. How about Jashwita?
I got it.
Got it? Oh, nice. Okay. How about you can say, hey, I didn't get it. You can ask the others. They will often say, I didn't get it. Netra, did you get it? Netra? Oh, you got it. Okay. Shubham? Okay, good. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you more questions. Okay. We are just reviewing and I want you to rework on one more assignment on this. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you this table and show you some graphs. You're going to take your time. Okay. Take your time. See, in my classes, you always should have a notebook and a pencil with an eraser. Otherwise, this won't work. Okay, you have to select two answers for me. You have to select two answers. Table matches with two of the five options. When you look at it, the table exactly matches with two of the five options: A, B, C, D, E. Can you help me get what are the options?
I didn't get what the question was.
Oh, sure, I'm here to help. The question, what I'm saying is, this is the question given. Okay, question is giving us a table. I just want you to match this table. You can put it into a graph. I showed you how to put it into a graph. X-axis is this, Y-axis is this. Now, or this is the input, this is the output. You can write the relationship between input and output in the equation. Equation form, you can find what is the rule that connects output and input. Okay, find out which one of this is correct. Or the graph can also match the numbers x comma y, x comma y, x comma y. Yes, Shiv, what is your question?
I have the answer. Wait, do we type it in chat?
Yes, Krishiv, you also type it in chat. Make sense? Krishiv.
Yes.
Next.
Priya auntie.
Yeah, ma.
You're muted.
Oh, I'm not muted.
Could I use the bathroom?
Please go ahead.
I was
And
talking to
class, actually, don't
Shubham.
miss the class.
Miss Priya, I was talking to Shubham.
How did you talk to Shubham?
No, I was like, you're muted because he said Miss Priya.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah.
I got it. I didn't see it. Okay. Good to know. Good job, Sri Hari. You got it. Zach, you got it. Shubham got it. Johan got it. Netra got it. Sreshta got it. Pranav. Pranav, very nice, Pranav. But what are the answer options, Pranav? Everything is right. The answer options, I am not convinced with what you have given. Shiv is correct. Johan, did you send me the answer?
You said I was right.
Yeah. Jashwita, good job. Can you check the equations? That is correct. There is one more correct answer, Jashwita. D is correct. Can you check whether one of the equations is correct as well? Pranav correct, but Johan correct. Whom I was little bothered was Krishiv. Did you get it? Krishiv?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Okay, I'll wait. I can help you. Can I give you a clue?
Sure.
Yeah. Anybody can feel free to say that you didn't get it. Absolutely fine. That is why the class is for. When you think about it, this is X, this is Y. Do you see a pattern? How can you connect X and Y? Any thoughts? I told you, right? You can find out what is Y by X. That is your constant of proportionality, right? Y by X. Can you find out Y by X? 15 by
I found a pattern for the last three, but they don't go into like x plus 5 or 5 times x.
5 times X. That is right. X times 5 will be equal to Y. Did you see this?
Uh-huh.
So, you know your constant of proportionality is 5. So, 5 should be multiplied with input to get your output. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. Makes sense? So, the answers are C and D. Jashwita, did you get it? Okay, I'm going to... Just
Yeah, I sent it to you.
C I saw, ma. Oh, D. Oh, yeah, you sent it to me. Sorry. You sent it to me just now when I was talking. Sorry. I got it. Okay. How about this? This is going to be a little tricky, and I'm going to wait and see what you're going to get. Okay. I'm not going to give you answer options. Okay. I just want to be sure how you all did the home, because this is a good amount of homework that's a little difficult as well. So I will go over the questions that you did not know. And you will be doing one more assignment on constant of proportionality. Go ahead. What is the see, these are all proportional relationship. That means y divided by x is always a constant. The output by input is always a constant. Go ahead. I just want to study something new as well today. Let's see. Pranav, what is the constant of proportionality? Good job, Sreshta Pranav. Okay, good job. Keep going, guys. Johan, correct. I'm waiting on the others. Correct, Netra.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Correct. Yes, ma. Come back soon.
I will.
Srihari, correct. Yeah, but the Srihari, the question asked is what is the constant of proportionality? Zach. Please check, Zach. Is that equation correct? Plug in and see. You're a little careless. Jashwita, can I wait for you?
Yeah, I'm still figuring it out.
Oh, sure. Take your time. Krishav, how about you?
I need some more time.
Sure. Okay, I can give the others something else. Let's see. Now I want to go and resolve problems. I want to solve some problems for you all.
Did I get it right, Miss Priya?
Sorry, I did not see Zach. Zach, X value is less, Zach. Y value is more. Did you see that? X value is smaller. So which one should be multiplied?
I forgot that X is in front and then Y is behind.
No, Y will always be equal to out. See, from the input only you can get the output. You got it? Output is always Y.
Yeah.
Don't get confused with that. Okay. Come on, guys. I really want some. Rishabh, do you need time or can I help you? Okay, I think some of them got it. So I'll move on with more questions for them. You can keep doing. How about this? Okay, I'm just skipping some because I want to know how you've understood. So let's see this one. How about, oh my gosh. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, this is a tricky question. Let me wait and see whether you'll solve it correctly. Krishav, did you get it or did you get it, Krishav?
No, it's confusing for me.
No problem. Jashwita, how about you?
Yeah, I'm just writing my answer.
Okay, go ahead. So here when you think about it, right, constant of proportionality that relates the profit in dollars. This is the profit in dollars. How did they get 49? This is the Y value, this is the X value, this is the X value, this is the Y value. What is the relationship between X and Y? Good job, Jashwita. But Jashwita, you made a mistake. See here. X was multiplied by 7. X was multiplied by 7. So 7x equal to Y. Krishu and Jashwita, did you get it?
Yeah, I made a table with 2, 4, 6, 8. I didn't make a table with like 3, 35, and 7 and 49.
That is fine. Then 2 means it is not crossing correctly, right? Do you see? Meaning
Yeah.
between 10 and 20. So choose points where it exactly cuts.
That's where I got confused too.
Yeah, so that's where I'm saying, see, that's why they have marked these 2 points. These two will serve as patterns. You got it? Okay, how
Yeah,
about
I
this?
got it.
Okay, now this is a tricky question, a little bit definitely tricky. Okay, take your time to think through and then solve. Okay, I'm not in a hurry, but I really want you to keep going as well. Okay, I'll get you the other answer options. Take your time, but I want you to solve. Let me see.
I can only see one answer choice.
1 minute, Amma, please.
Oh, never mind.
No, I just pasted it now.
Oh.
Go ahead. These are good questions, which are tricky. I'll give you one more tricky question. Wait. Is it difficult or are you all okay? Please write down. See, certain things will be confusing. You're all in 7th and 8th grade, so it will be confusing naturally. You're all learning 6th and 7th and 8th grade math, so it will be confusing, okay? So I will write down my input and output. See, at the rate of 6 centimeter, this is your numerator x. 0.75 minutes. What is this? I will write down the units here. I'll put a table. Table is my best companion. X is what? Centimeters. How can I do this? Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so let me multiply by 100, 675. 600 by 75 is a constant. Can I do it and see? 600 by 75 is a constant. Means what? Can I simplify this fraction? How to simplify this fraction? 24 by 3. That means I travel 24 centimeters in 3 minutes. Can I bring it even further down? In 1 minute, how much? You think about, make up this table, then pick up values that are similar. So your constant of proportionality can help you a lot. What is the constant of proportionality here? Think about it. What is your constant of proportionality? Y by x, right? Oh, I made a mistake, right? Wait. I always said time should be in minutes, right? Time should be in minutes. So 6 centimeters distance, centimeter, that is the y value. X value is minutes, time.
Wait, Miss Priya? Should I give my answer in a equation? Huh?
Chat ma.
No, like, should I give my answer as an equation?
No, A, B, C, D. Which one matches what is given?
Okay.
Think about constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality will clearly tell you. Find out y by x. Y by x is your key. I'm waiting for everybody's answer. Many of you said it, but I was just checking.
I can't see like the ABC answers.
Answer is FGHJ, right? Yes, Zach, that is correct. Shubham correct. Srihari correct. Netra correct. Johan correct. Shiv correct. Pranav correct. Sreshta, Sreshta correct. Sreshta, I'm waiting for Sreshta correct. Krishiv, yes, Krishiv. Okay. Who else? Did I miss somebody? I don't know. This time I didn't see. Okay. My own, yeah. Jishita, you have your answer, ma? You have your answer, ma?
Yeah, I just sent it to you.
Yes, send it to. H doesn't work, right, ma? When you think about it, what is the constant of proportionality? Y by x, right? 4 divided by 0.5. What is 4 divided by 0.5? 40 by 5, which is 8, right? 8 is the constant of proportionality here. When you think about it, 8 by 1, 12 by 1.5, 16 by 2. 8 is your constant of proportionality. In this case, what in the table, in the actual context, what is the constant of proportionality? 24 by 3, 8. See, the constant of proportionality between this table and this table is matching. Whereas here, what is the constant of proportionality? This is your x time. Time times your constant of proportionality is your output, right? Meaning D equal to 0.75 T means, see, output by input. D by T is 0.75. That is not 8. This is incorrect. So the answer is this table where the constant of proportionality is 8. Okay, now I really want to move on. So what were your questions? Can I go to your questions? Now I revised, okay, the basics is very strong across the class. Now tell me, what were your questions? Shiv, can I go ahead and solve your questions first?
For the homework, yeah.
Yes, let's go ahead and do.
Okay. Can we
Go
start with 33?
Which one?
33.
33. Let's go ahead and try now that all of you know about constant of proportionality. Now tell me, Chris Shiv, don't worry, I'm not putting you under the bus. Okay, it's not like that in this class. If you don't know, you can say I don't know. Somebody else will answer. What is this? In this equation, what is the constant of proportionality?
No, 33.
You can shout out, please, this one. Why?
X times 4 sevenths equals Y.
Yeah, ma. Yeah. What is the constant of proportionality? Y is equal to kx, right? K times x. K is your constant of proportionality. What is the constant of proportionality?
4 sevenths.
Yep. Now let's move on. 33 they're asking. Let's do 33. What is it about 33? What is the rate of change?
I don't understand the rate. What?
Is there, okay, what type of linear, this is line, we all know. So linear graph, is this proportional? Is this proportional or not? Who is going to explain to me? Pranav, is this proportional?
No.
Why?
Wait. Yes, because
Because
you just have to like divide them both, then equals 7.5 and 7.5 is your
it is proportional, but how do you get from a graph whether it is proportional or not?
you
It should pass through. I told you.
the origin.
The origin, the line passes through the origin. It is a proportional relationship. So here our constant of proportionality very well works. What is the rate of change is the constant of proportionality, I told you. Rate of change is just that. What is that rate of change from a graph? Y by x. See here how to find out k. Divide by x, divide by x. K will be y by x. K has a lot of names. So confusing. K is the constant of proportionality. K is the rate of change. Everything is y by x. All the, if you are asked for constant of proportionality, it's y by x in a proportional relationship. Output by input. Now, can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the constant of proportionality? I mean, what is the rate of change in here? Shiv, this was your question. How to find out the constant of proportionality? Good job, Pranav. That's right. What is the constant of proportionality?
The constant of proportionality. Wait, what?
Go ahead.
Is it 215? That's what I'm.
What is 2? What is 15? This is x and y. This is also another x and y.
5.
Constant of proportionality is what? Y by x, right?
Yeah.
15 by 2, 7.5.
Uh-huh. Oh,
I'm going to move on here.
okay, thank you.
How about this one? Next, Netra, you did not know this one, right?
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yeah, Ma?
can you explain question 30 to me? I didn't really get it.
Sure, 32.
No, 30.
30, yes, why not? Okay, see, for any proportional relationship, Srihari, y will be equal to kx. Correct?
Yeah.
Y is here. X is here. What is the factor? What is the number with which I multiply by my input to get the output?
4 sevens.
That is called the constant of proportionality.
So is that the answer?
Yeah, that is also called as the rate of change. See, once you understand the concept, right, however difficult the question is, you'll be able to solve. You see, you don't need to solve every problem in the class, but understand the concept to the deepest extent possible, then it becomes so easy. Okay, now you all know we discussed a lot. Do you see they're asking for the rate of change in this linear relationship? What is the rate of change in this relationship? Who can shout out?
Y equals
Point-
F,
5x.
9.5.
9.5.
Exactly. See, these things you don't need time at all to do. If you don't understand the concept, you're going to take 2 hours for the homework. If you understand, it's just very easy. You'll just skim through the homework. Okay, now other questions, any questions? Amma, other questions, please.
I understand number 35 because it's kind of the same thing as 34.
Yeah. So, yeah, good job, Netra. She wants me to solve 34. This one is a little tricky. 36 is a little tricky. Okay, I'll solve 34. I will do myself, I feel, guys, okay? So we have again discussed constant of proportionality, rate of change, proportional relationship. My homework is going to be a little different, but on the same topic, okay, for this week. Sally Snow Cones earned 2.25 profit. After selling 9 small cones, they have given 2 numbers. What are they? Snow cones? No. Dollar and number of snow cones. Which is the independent variable? Which is the independent variable here? What increases if what increases?
So 9 is the independent.
Correct. The number of snow cones, if it increases or decreases, the dollar value will increase or decrease, right? So this is why this is x. So this needs to be in the x-axis. Okay. Now, after selling 15 snow cones is 3.75. We got that. But with this, I can't plot anything. And okay, what is the slope of the line? Slope, this one is called the steepness. Steepness of the line, steepness. Now, if you sell 0 snow cones, what dollars you'll get? What dollars you'll get?
0.
0. So, the points are passing through 0, 0. Is this a proportional relationship?
Yes.
Yes. So then it's easy. Our constant of proportionality is the slope because that's the steepness of the line. It's the constant rate of change. So how can I calculate it? First, let me plot it. 9, right? 3, 6, 9. 9, 12, 15. 9 is 2.25. 9 is 2.25. I can plot it like this. 15 is 3.75. Okay, got it. So two points are enough to plot a graph, and that passes through 0, 0 very clearly because 0 cones sold $0. Slope in a proportional, since it passes through 0, 0, I can call slope, I can find it. Usually, you know what? Slope means the steepness, right? I will want to find out the change in y value divided by the change in x value. Change in y value divide by the change in x value I would want to find out. Because that only tells you the steepness, right? Change in the y value divide by the change in the x value. What is the change in y value here? What is the change in the y value here? 1.5, right? Go from here, go from this. Similarly, 15 minus 9, change in the y value, divide by the change in the x value. 15 minus 9 is 6. What is 1.5 by 6? What is 1.5 by 6?
0.24.
That is the slope. Make sense? But what does it mean? What is 1.5? 1.5 is in dollars per snow cone, right? You know, in the context, what does it mean? You get a profit of 0.25 cents per snow cone. Per one snow cone you sell. See, this is the denominator. So by selling one snow cone, you get 25 cents. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, slope is the change in y by change in x value. Make sense? So let's go with that. Having said that, slope in any line, right, that indicates the steepness. So you know what you do when they give you 2 points on a line, right? You find your difference in the y, divide by the difference in the x will give you the steepness of the line. Does that make sense? Good.
Yeah.
Can I stop here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
But did everybody learn something new?
Yeah.
Yes.
Meaning whatever gaps you had, you should patch it up with the conceptual understanding, right? If you had missed out on something, you should have filled it today. Okay, with respect to proportional linear relationship, constant of proportionality, and then slope, just finding the slope of any line. All this you should have known today. Okay, your homework will be again on that though. Zach, did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Good. Can I stop here, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember the class and attend next class. I would want to talk to Krishav and Jaswita. Okay. Rest of if you don't have questions, you can log off.
Bye, everyone.
Miss Priya. Bye. Have a great day.
Thank you, Ma. Wish you the same. Hey, Jaswita is gone, huh? Okay. Krishav, did you understand the class?
Yes.
Was it okay? Was it good? In the sense,
Yeah.
I want you to understand, okay, the concepts at least. Okay? Makes sense. Okay. Good to know. So you will be in a grade 7-8 class, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. With your mom, I've already talked. Any questions for me? You know how to